Hello children, this is grade 4, block 19 and S1. Topic is filtration, right? Open your book, page number 118. I'm reading for you. You read out the first paragraph and I'll read out the filtration. Okay, so here when we see about the filtration, water can be filtered by pouring it through a cloth, right? So here the cloth traps impurities. This is called filtration. Scientists filter water by passing it through a cone made of filter paper fitted in a funnel. So during filtration, the big insoluble impurities like leaves, mud remain on the filter paper or cloth. So clean water passes through the filter paper or cloth and is collected. So when we see this one here, just you read out this also. So when we see this one about the filtration, here see, imagine you have gone on a camp trip. Okay, so the only water available there is this water. So would you drink this water, whatever the water is available there for you, you have taken? So why, what happened? So this water is not fit for drinking, right? So it has things that are not good for us to drink. We need to purify this water before we can drink it, right children? So here drinking this water without purifying it can make us sick. So you have to do this filtration. So how you should do the filtration? Here you must take one, how even at home also what mama will do when the water comes in the tap, she takes the cloth and she put the cloths on the this one vessel and she will filter the water and she will fill in the vessels, isn't it? So here also when we do see, we put the cloth over one tumbler and pour the dirty water through it into the other tumbler. So what happens? The water that came out was clear and had less dirt in it, right? So when we take the water from rivers and lakes, so much of impurities you will see, isn't it? Bigger insoluble impurities like leaves, mud also. So much you will see. So this is called. So here many impurities were too big to pass through the cloth, right, isn't it? So here clean water was collected in the second glass tumbler. So this method, this method of purifying water is called filtration, right children? So here when you see filter paper, here also in workbook, when we see in the workbook also, just go to the workbook children, page number 15. When you see page number 15 filtration, just observe the diagram, right? Observe the diagram. See first what they have taken. First they have taken the, here you can see the beaker, and afterwards funnel, filter paper. Okay, so they have poured the water, they put the, what did they put? Filter funnel, right? So here filter paper also they have fitted. So when you pour the water, all the insoluble impurities will be stuck up on this paper and the clean water will fall into this beaker. So this is the process how we will clean the filter the water. So same steps you write over here for the second answer. Okay, now third answer, question number 3, here what it says, draw a label diagram of your experiment setup. You also do one experiment how your mother will filter the water at home. Okay, you do that, see that experiment, you also do that experiment and draw that experiment. Don't write, just you draw that experiment, right children? Now we will go with question answers from your reader. Okay, go to page number 122. Okay, when you go with 122, see question number 1, what it is there. First one, why can't we drink water straight from a river or a lake? So what happens? Water from rivers and lake can contain many impurities like mud, animal dung, dry leaves and dead insects. So what happens? This water can also contain germs. So all these impurities make this water unhealthy to drink and make us sick, isn't it? So get affected with many diseases. Now question number 2, how can water from an open well be filtered before being stored in an earthen pitcher? So here it can be filtered by using a cloth folded many times. Water can be poured from one pitcher to another through the cloth. in a number of villages and towns, water is filtered in this manner. Yes, in villages also, when you see, when they will take out the well water, okay, or bore water, they will take the cloth and they will fold the cloth into 2 or 3 folds. Then they will filter the water. Till now in the villages it is happening. Now we will go with question number 3. What happens when muddy water is left undisturbed for a few hours? So the mud in the water starts to settle down, leaving clean water with little mud in the remaining water floating at the top. So you complete this first, second and third. Right, children? Thank you.